What up, guys? We're here to discuss mounting hardware. Mounting hardware is pretty standard for skate. You have pretty much two different options as far as what tool you're going to use to apply. You have a Phillips screw, or you have an Allen key screw. Either or, as far as the tools go, a lot of companies are making the Allen key and the Phillips head on the same device. I recommend the Phillips just because if you're out and about, most commonly known in America is the Phillips. Skateboard hardware, I highly recommend buying at a skate shop opposed to a hardware store. I do believe that it is made special. I was told a long time ago it was like some NASA parts that they got the idea or concept from, so it is stronger than regular hardware that you find out there. There's other options too as far as the length that you're going to need. So you have 1 inch 7/8, 1 1/8, 1 1/4, 1 1/2 to 2 inch bolts. The reason why they do make so many variations in sizes for mounting hardware is that sometimes you'll use a riser, and when using a riser that we talk about, for wheel bite, you would have to compensate for the bolt. So if you use a 1/4 inch riser, you're going to use a 1 1/4. If you're not using a riser at all, the standard is the 1 inch size. The 1 inch size is perfect for most trucks out there. 7-ply skateboard, a sheet of grip, and enough threads to be showing. When applying it, you want to make sure that you do have 2 or 3 threads showing through the top to let you know that your nut is completely on the bolt. Also, when you do have the nut, they do have a Loctite built in. Loctite is a little bit of like a glue urethane action here, and when you put the screw on for the first time, the nut onto the screw, it will lock onto it with the Loctite. One trick that I will have to let you know is the more you take it apart and put it back together, you will wear out your Loctite, so do keep an eye on your hardware every time before you go out and skate, and make sure that all your threads are showing and that your nuts and bolts are tight.